Hello friends, today we discuss about hotel management, Opera software for housekeeping department, housekeeping and room management. In Opera, software is very helpful for housekeeping department and room management, known as status of room types, availability of rooms, category of rooms, whether it is single room, double room, deluxe rooms, special suites, etc. Smoking zone rooms, non-smoking zone rooms, etc. Dirty and cleaning status of room all shows under this room management in Opera software. Clean to dirty, dirty to clean status. Front desk required to change the room status with the consent of housekeeping department. Change the cleaning status. After that only guest allotted folio and rooms. Next step, billing related and housing department related operations. Options like mini bar, consumptions, pillow, special pillows, bed sheets, and special guest requirements, flowers, bouquets, chocolates, cakes, special arrangements for rooms, all taken care by service related updations by housekeeping department staff time to time, immediately updation, the update service of F&B, mini bar, consumption, reporting and replacement of mini bar items, etc. updation by housekeeping, and including all billing related, invoice related with all tax bills, tax invoices taken care by with the consent of housekeeping department. Front desk issue the bills to guest. Room status, difference between out of order and out of service. Out of orders, rooms cannot sell to guest. Out of order services, order rooms cannot sell to guests. Out of services of rooms and blocking of the rooms according to guest requirements, and out of services status shows it will take couple of hours required to housekeeping department for cleaning after the guest vacation. Group of guests allotted to travel agents, vacation status after cleaning by housekeeping department, reporting to front desk, issue room key to new guest. In case of group checkouts, housekeeping take care dirty to clean, change status and ready for new guest arrivals and check-in, all immediate timely action taken care by housekeeping department immediately and helping with the consent of front desk manager. In this scenario, front desk is completely playing a back role and supporting to front desk for maintaining rooms management. Thank you very much.